In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for an Omnisend account. First, open your web browser and head over to Google. In the search bar, type Omnisend sign up and hit enter. You should see Omnisend's official website appear near the top of the search results. Take a moment to make sure you're clicking the official Omnisend link so you know you're on the correct and secure page. Once the Omnisend site loads, look for the option that says sign up with email. Sometimes you might see more than one sign-up option, like using a platform integration or a different method. But for this tutorial, we're going to choose the email sign-up. Click Sign Up with Email to open the registration form. You'll now see a simple form with a few fields to complete. In the first field, type in your business email address. This should be an email you have access to and plan to use for your marketing communications, because Omnisend will send important updates and a verification code there. Double check for typos so you don't run into issues later. In the second field, create a password for your new Omnisend account. Choose something secure and unique, combining letters, numbers, and symbols if possible. Avoid using easily guessed details like your name or a simple sequence. If you use a password manager, this is a good time to generate and save a strong password. Next, look for the section that says My Business Is. Here, you'll be asked to select whether your business is e-commerce or non-e-commerce. Click on the option that best describes your business type. This helps Omnisend tailor the experience and tools to your needs, so pick the one that fits how you actually operate. Below that, you'll see a checkbox indicating that you agree to Omnisend's terms of use, privacy policy, and anti-spam policy. Take a moment, if you'd like, to open those links and quickly review them. When you're ready, click the empty checkbox to confirm that you agree. Now, go ahead and click the Sign Up button. Omnisend will create your account and immediately send a verification code to the email address you provided. Open your email inbox, find the message from Omnisend, and copy the verification code. Return to the Omnisend window, paste or type in that code, and submit it. Once your email is verified, you'll be guided through a quick and simple setup process to finish configuring